Guys, today I am repair this washing machine Hitachi. This one washing the dress but dry problem.
Washing.
This one not working. This one problem. I think switch. I don't know what problem.
It's the problem spelling. This.
Guys, now checking first power connection from here. I think maybe downside this motor not get power, so I check first power connection after checking what problem. Now opening this only switch side, this one switch from here coming out, then checking power. Guys, please subscribe my channel, then share. Please don't forget subscribe my channel. Guys, this one for dryer switch, this one for this one for this washing switch, this one also dryer switch. Now checking hair connection, then hair connection, how or no. Please guys subscribe my channel, then I making good video. Please guys, we don't have multimeter, so I insert this cable, these two cable, then working or not I check. Guys, now direct connection I give from motor. Guys, now working. Guys, see, now stop this machine. I show you what problem. This switch problem I confirm one time for you. Guys, see here, this one motor now not working. I give connection, then check this one working or not. Now I give connection direct. Working or not working, right? See, working. Now connection disconnect, not working, connect, working. So means this switch problem. I replace this switch after show you this machine working or not. Okay guys, wait. Now remove this switch, timer switch. This name is timer switch. Coming down. No need to open this one. See the guys, this one removing now. Hi guys, I repair this timer switch, then after put again there working or not. You watch my video, then you know this timer switch how to repair. Please guys subscribe my channel and share my channel. Guys, now I am open this timer. See, now open this cover. Here this melt, this plastic. This way he not push here, then not working. Okay, I am try to repair this one. Okay guys, watch my video. See guys, here not coming connection, this way not working. I put here this side. Now I am checking, also not connection coming. So I try to bend here. Okay guys, now ready this machine, timer machine. I complete fixing like that. Try to again one time. I think working. Very nice. We have a screw. I fix here a screw and again checking. Okay guys. This one I take a side. And the screw. Finally this timer ready. We check now. Please watch my connection now open. Okay guys, be careful because this 220 volt high voltage. If you mistake you die, so careful guys. Now just checking after fixing here. I install here power. Guys, now open this switch. Guys, see now working. Guys, see, timer now off. See, now working. So you here for a see. Timer off now. Here also off. So guys, subscribe my channel. After I making new good video, please. Now install here this switch, timer switch. Now install. Okay guys, let me see my video. Supporting my cameraman RC. This is from Philippines. I am from Nepal. So guys, please support me. Guys, now fixing this switch here. You know. First put here inside this one. I'll put here one leg. Like that. Like that fixing. Then put it tight here, screw here. Give it a anyway, no problem. Same. No. Guys, I am here now tight. You have electrical tape? One minute. This electrical tape now fixing here. I put here electrical tape from safety. Guys, this finish. Put here. Okay guys, now I put this knob here. I put back cover. See guys, very easy, don't worry. If you're watching my video, you know how to repair your washing machine. There's a mistake. You have other black color? Here or
Very poor.
I am now tight this screw. Okay. I close here. Back cover. Finally finished this machine. Now working everything. So guys, see guys, now working, washing this one,
Working.
see, sound check, working now, see. working this spring. So guys, please like, subscribe my video, please guys. Bye bye. See you again video.